Hey, all you people. Well, apparently I'm outside and I had no idea, but it rained apparently. And so the water is seeping like halfway. Sorry about that. I had to walk away because I was afraid that the car would just like splash water on me. I hate that. I'm sorry, I'm not a professional blogger. I use my phone, so yeah. And just, I mean, look at this. Ew, it got in my foot, it got in my foot. It's inside my shoe. And yeah, I don't really know if you can see, but apparently it's drizzling right now. Wow. What a nice surprise. And my phone is getting all wet, but I don't really mind. And it's just so many gray clouds. I don't know, but like, I just like rain so much because it's so peaceful, and then all of a sudden it starts to thunder and just, wow. Wow. This is amazing. I mean, it's raining outside and all, and just, I love it. And I know this has been a short video and all, but I just wanted to vlog about the rain, and so I'll see you soon, guys. Bye!